Turn with me, this 5 bedroom duplex right here in that of Chevron Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. And this house is worth 470 million naira. At the end of this video, I want you to comment if this house is actually worth 470 million naira. Now, comment with me in the spacious compound of this property. It can contain a minimum of 5 luxurious exotic cars right here. And then coming to this side, you can see the swimming pool area. Can come over, see swimming pool area. You can see how beautifully designed is being done. See the greenery on the wall part with the lightning all around there. And then you can have a sit out right here, relax, chill right here beside your swimming pool, and it has a big view as well. Now, without further ado, let me take you inside to see how beautifully constructed this 5 bedroom is. So come with me. Coming to this property, you are welcome with this huge gigantic security door. As you can see, it has the fingerprint, it has this biometric right here. So come inside. Over here is the visitor's toilet. As you can see, this is the visitor's toilet, has the washing hand basin, has WC as well right here. Now let's go to the sitting room. Now welcome to the enormous sitting room right here. From the sitting room, you can have a nice view of how the swimming pool looks like. Look at the waterfall right there, and take a look at the gigantic sitting room space. You can set up your 6x3 seater couch here. Set up your smart TV right here. The cushion has been done as well. So right there is the staircase, and it has a beautiful guide. Right here is the kitchen, and you can see how beautiful it is. See the lightning all around. I just love the taste of the developer who built this property. It is superb. Look at the lightning on the floor, the lightning around, side face burner right here, a lot of cabinets over here, more cabinets with open glass door over there as well. The microwave, the oven. We have the fridge as well right here. And then over here we have the laundry room. This is the laundry room, as you can see. So you can either use here as a laundry room, or you can use as both the laundry room and the pantry, where you can keep your stuffs, your food items and all. But by the way, there are lots of cabinets in here, and this is the exit door to the backyard. And also we also have a big view right there. So let me show you the visitors room on the ground floor. So especially locked, but it is very spacious. Now come with me. Work is still ongoing, and it is about to be done. Work is ongoing, but let's go up to the top floor. So we are currently at the first floor. We've seen the ground floor successfully. We are currently at the first floor, and right here we are one of the rooms. As you can see, beautifully designed. There are rooms for spacious ventilation. You can see how gigantic the windows are, and it also has a balcony right here. Right here is the balcony. You can see this. I just love the luxury, the white painting, the greenery, the plants, and as well the lightning done on the ceiling as well. You can see beautiful design. From up here you can get to see your neighbors all around. Beautifully designed. So let me show you to the other rooms. Before that, let's check out the restroom. Wow, take a look at the restroom. Take a look at it. I mean, Lots. This is nice. This is nice. Yeah, this is nice. Over here you can keep your wristwatches and your jewelry right here. So there's a mirror at the back here, and there is another mirror right here. Lot of wardrobes. Now let's take a look at the restroom. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. The jacuzzi, the shower section, washing and basin, and as well WC. So let's check out the other rooms. So come with me. So right here is the cinema. So it comes with a cinema, yeah. So we have the 5-bedroom duplex. It has a swimming pool, a cinema room, a gym room, and a BQ with a gigantic, beautifully designed kitchen. So let's go. Over here, we have another room right here. So this is the third room we are checking out right now, excluding the cinema room. As you can see, it has its own toilet and bathroom as well. So let's go. Yes. Now this is the fourth bedroom right here, and you can also see you can put in a 4x6 bed. Let's show them the restroom as well. This is the restroom. It has the WC shower. There is a cubicle, WC, and a washing basin. Now let's go all the way to the second floor. So you have to be careful right here. Work is still ongoing. By the time work is being done, all this will be covered. You can see work is still ongoing. We are going to the second floor. We have the ground floor. This is the first floor we just checked out with 4 rooms, and we are going to the last floor. So on the ground floor we have the sitting room, the car park, the swimming pool, and the BQ with the kitchen and the visitors room. On the second floor we have 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms with 1 BQ. Yes, on the second floor we have 3 bedrooms with 1 BQ. With one on the second floor we have 3 bedrooms with the cinema room. So let's take out what we have right here on the last floor, which is the master bedroom. But right here we have the gym room. As you can see, we have the gym room over here. So with this gym room we also have a nice view of the greenery outside right here. So when we get back to that, let's first check out the master's bedroom. So we have a kitchenette right here, as you can see. So in case if you don't want to go all the way down to the ground floor to cook, you can prepare something for yourself right here at the last floor. And welcome to the gigantic master's bedroom. Yes, the gigantic master's bedroom. Take a look at the lighting design on the POP ceiling. You can see the massive windows, so there is enough ventilation coming into this property. And then the TV section area, which is right here. Over here is the wardrobe section. Yes, you can see you can keep your stuff here, you can keep your clothing here, you can keep your shoes, your stuff right here. And as well we have the aiding restroom right here. So you can see once it's closed, they can know if there is a restroom right here. Once you open it, voila, welcome to the restroom, the aiding restroom right here. You can come inside and show it to them. So this is the jacuzzi, and right here is the WC and the control panels, as you can see. And over here is the cubicle with its own shower, and right here is the washing hand basin. We have 2 washing hand basins with mirrors, and also has a gigantic window right here. So let's go outside and let's go see how the greenery area is. Welcome. Wow, this is massive. This is the green area of this party. So you can have a mini party right here. You can see, I love this greenish section. A little place where you can relax with your family and friends over here. This is nice. This is nice. With a little, you can decide not to put this right here. I mean, you can. This is where this particular person who has bought into this property wants it to look like. So let me know in the comment section, is this property actually worth 470 million naira right here in the heart of Chevron Lekki, Lagos? And if you would like to get something like this, we have about 2 more units left to be sold. You can key into it right now and you are good to go. Remember, my name is Oluwaseun like that Victor, and I am the lead consultant of Update Homes and Properties. Anytime you see me right here on your screen, I'm here to give you luxury, I'm here to give you the best, I'm here to give you a property one of a kind. To get started, click on the WhatsApp link in the description section and it will bring you straight down into my DM. Thank you and see you in my next video.